Hey guys, welcome to question FM359 of the Further Maths Fortify study guide. This question reads, a public pool charges customers to use their lockers. The fee for use of a locker in dollars based on hours of use is shown in the step graph below, and then we're given a step graph that looks like this one. We're told that on a particular day, 3 customers use the locker for an hour, 1 customer uses the locker for 3 hours, and 2 customers use the lockers for 5 hours. The total amount the public pool makes from locker fees on this day is what? And we're going to use this step graph to figure it out. So straight off the bat, we know that we're going to have 3 times something plus 1 times something plus 2 times something is going to give us a total. And we know this because we've got 3 people using the lockers for an hour, so we've got to find out what the cost would be for the hourly, with a 1 hour worth of use. We've got 1 person using for 3 hours, so we'll find out what that cost is. And we've got 2 people for 5 hours, so we'll also find out what that cost is. Once we tally all this together, we should have the total amount of revenue the pool made that day. So, the 3 people who used it for an hour. So if we use for an hour, we can see here that it should cost us $4 to do that. So we've got a 3 times 4. So we've got 3 people paying $4. Our 1 person who used it for 3 hours, this one's a slightly tricky one because we're asking ourselves, so do we choose this 6 or do we choose this 10? Because we have these 2 points which both lie on the 3 hour mark. We're going to choose 6 because, of course, this filled in circle tells us that we are to choose the 6. Our empty spot up there pretty much tells us that anything above 3 hours, so if it was 3 hours and 1 second or 3 hours in a millisecond in theory, that's when it would transfer over to $10, but 3 hours on the dot still costs us 6. Then the 2 customers who use the lockers for 5 hours, well, 5 hours in, the fee is $10. So we have 3 times 4 plus 1 times 6 plus 2 times 10. Plugging that all into a calculator, we should get an answer of 38, being $38. So our answer, of course, is going to be option D. If you guys have any questions about this question, please drop them in the comments below for us. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next video.